In tonight's episode, Bungee speaks French.
Bonjour.
We watch Bungee pee. And stunt gets blocked by a local.
Morning.
Morning.
Thank you.
Put it in your mouth. Still put it in your mouth. I have to take it in my head.
Bulge, yeah. Grand, thank you. What did your guy complain about?
Having it in my mouth.
Yeah, same.
God, that's very nice. He's like, because he just looked at me, so he's like, right, I'll open it up to you. Is that
Yeah.
anyone? He's like, oh, this is very nice, putting it in your mouth beforehand to me. Like,
Yeah, he was like,
sorry,
hey, did you put it in your mouth? And I was like,
unhygienic.
I said, yeah, I did.
Again.
I said, I did, yeah, on the edge bit. Yes, but I still have to pick it up.
Right, are you
And
calling me?
it's your job.
Yeah, yeah. You still have to do this. Yeah. If you're so unhappy about if you're so unhappy about germs in your job, wear fucking gloves.
As you can tell from the sunshine, the glorious roads with no potholes, and we're riding on the wrong side of the road. Yes, we're in Belgium. We made it. The bike survived another crossing, and even Gloves' bike didn't lose all battery charge on the ferry crossing. So the next stop is Dunkirk. We're heading to Dunkirk, do some of the war memorials, that sort of thing. So I'll take you along for the ride. I don't know what there will be to see. We've got plenty of room on the hard drive and stuff, so I'll probably just record the whole way and then edit it at a later time. That grand smell of shite. Gentleman was on the ferry with us, returning home, I believe, to Switzerland. If you have a passport and you have a bike, you need to get to Europe. Just get on the ferry, get across to Belgium and explore. Look at the roads, look at the weather. Right pannier slid down and is touching the exhaust, so we'll have to fix that. Good times. We'll find somewhere to stop though, that'll be alright.
I'd like to love you, love you. Ha. I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you,
In here.
We're waiting for Bungee and Proton to catch up with us.
Yeah,
No
we
idea where
are
they are or what they're up to.
minus 2 bikes.
But it's dry, that's the main thing.
Yes, yes.
Alright,
Yeah,
what happened? It slipped down.
yeah, the front of it slid down. Front of it slid down, so it was touching.
Oh yeah, you don't want to lose your pants all over the road.
No. 1 minute. Who's doing a tiddle? They got wiped out by a duck. it's time for another touring information tips section. And today, helmet mount cameras. If you're mounting your camera to your helmet and you're intent on coming to Europe, so mount your camera or have a spare mount on the left hand side of your helmet so you can capture them going past. That's the touring information tip section for just now. Thank you. That's us nearly there. 5 minutes we'll be at Dunkirk.
I'd like to love you, love you. Ha. I'd like to love you, if I may, if I may. Love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may.
Currently here at the Arras Flying Memorial to the guys and girls that died in World War I. A lot of them were young, and there was no official grave given to them when they died, so this memorial was set up. Very moving place. Thousands of gravestones. Yeah, 35,000 British forces, service personnel that had died, or they've got no known grave, so they've been remembered by that memorial there. So yeah, I think we're just all taking a minute to reflect. This place is beautiful, proper stunningly beautiful. That's why you got stairwork. So we've just been to the Baden-baden War Memorial, Battle of the Bulge. If any of you have seen Band of Brothers, this is where they fought, and that's a memorial to the 101st and all the other guys who fought during that. It's quite some memorial. We were sort of upon it before we knew, so I haven't really got any footage of it. But got a couple of photos. And now we're supposed to go on to a really twisty bit of road towards Luxembourg. Woohoo! Ricardo, music on! Luxembourg! Hello, Luxembourg! Oh, it's not a race track, that sign says. That's a shame. The fact they've put that sign up makes me think that it's going to be very twisty and very much fun. yeah, boy.
That was fucking brilliant.
That was the shit, man. Yeah, maybe disturbing the peace a little bit here. Always a nice sign to see. Oh, we cheeky milkshake.
That was the best fun I've had on a motorbike in my life.
Yeah. Well, B500 is all like that.
I wasn't even nailing it, I was just toddling along, shitting myself at every hairpin.
Somebody's in trouble.